Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're searching for a simple way to soothe your little one, then you can't go wrong with this comforting noisemaker. So this is from Cloud B. It's called the Sweet Dreams on the Go. It comes with a soft little nightlight, 8 different sounds, and it even includes a sound sensor. The first sound is marked heartbeat. And if you hit that button again, it creates a melody. The next one is called Ocean. And if you hit that one again, it's a different lullaby. Over here we have Rain. Again, there's volume buttons as well. And if you want to hit Rain again, you'll get a different lullaby. And the last one is called Shushing. And if you hit that again, it's a 4th different lullaby sound. So this is the sensory mode, which means it stays silent with the light on, but if it hears a loud noise, it'll go back to the last sound you played. It comes with 3 different clips that easily clip to the side of the stroller, the car seat, the crib, anywhere you want to make a little sound to comfort your little one. And I love the fact that it has such a sweet little face, so it's easily going to become your little one's next best friend. So if you're looking for an easy way to comfort your child with lots of options, you've got 8 different sound options, volume buttons, and a slight little glowing nightlight. You're not going to be disappointed with this one from Cloud B. And that is my point of view.